Hello and welcome to another tips and tricks video from Building on a Budget Models. In today's video we're going to be looking at how to remove acrylic paint. For this you will need acetone-free nail polish remover, Ziploc bag or Tupperware, cotton bud, protective mask, water and kitchen paper. Firstly, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell to stay notified. I bought an already started BMW Z8 on eBay, and whilst it was in pretty poor condition, it wasn't quite as bad as it was in the enjoyable but slightly underwhelming film The World Is Not Enough. As you can see here, the person who previously had it had already started painting the interior and had done it in quite a sloppy way. The paint was thickly applied and didn't look as good as I would have liked. So the first thing I did was I put it into a Ziploc bag and then filled up the bag with some acetone-free nail polish remover. You can see here that it's already starting to remove. Make sure that you seal this, and you may want to already start wearing your mask as this smells quite bad. I left it for about 10 minutes and you can see where it came back to it that it was coming off quite nicely. Don't forget to turn it around though so that areas get covered. I made sure that the plug was in firmly in the sink so that no parts were washed down the drain, and then emptied the bag. You will want to wear your protective mask and do this in a well ventilated area. You may also want to wear gloves in case you have any small cuts, as these will sting, but remember that nail polish remover is designed to go on the hands. I then used a cotton bud or Q-tip to try to get into some of the hard to reach areas. If unsatisfied with the results, you can always remove as much as possible and then return them to the bag with more nail polish remover. After I was satisfied with this, I ran them under a tap to rinse off some of the loose parts. I then allowed the parts to dry on a kitchen towel before they were ready to work with again. It did expose that the previous owner was a little bit haphazard with some of the poly cement. I'll sand that off later instead. A big thank you to the community from the International Scale Modeler for helping me find this solution. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.